So today I'll be explaining on the topic spring. A spring is defined as an elastic body's function is to distort when loaded and to recover its original shape when the load is removed. Okay. Obviously it would change its shape or distort when it is in loaded condition and when it is removed or the load is removed, it would regain back to its original shape. Okay, it is having an elastic nature. Spring is having an elastic nature. So there are certain applications for various important application for springs. Let's look at some of the applications. The first one is to act as a cushion. Obviously, it will give an comfort as a cushion. First one is to cushion, absorb or control energy due to either shock or vibration. In it could be in anything. It could be in car spring, railway buffer, aircraft landing gear. Okay, vibration dampers, shock absorber. We have seen springs in real life application. It could be used in car, or you could see in railways. Railway buffers you can see in the on both side. You can clearly visible the different types of springs. So these are all act as for shock absorbers or act like a cushion for removing the effective vibrations. Or it could be used in dampers in cars, right? So these are the main first application of spring. Then it can be used for applying, it can use as apparatus to apply force, just like we are applying force in brakes, clutches, and spring-loaded valves. So spring-loaded valves, springs act as a pressure, I mean, as a point or part for applying force. To apply force, spring act as a force applier. Then it is used to control motion by maintaining contact between two elements as in cams and follower. Not in cams and follower, but yeah, you can see in cams and follower there is spring arrangement. So there are different combination of system just like cams and follower. So it can be used as say controlling motion between two parts. Then it is used to measure force in spring balance and engine indicator. We have done the experience on spring balance, so it can be used as an uh, experimental method or experimental purpose also. Springs are used for experimental purpose. Then it is used to store energy in watches and toys. We have seen small springs inside watches and toys. So that is used for storing energy. So these are the different purpose of spring or what is spring or the different purpose in real life application.